Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet another episode of Hompoa. Today we are in Kamakis and we are bringing you an amazing 4-bedroom Maisonette that is sitting on a proper 50 by 100. We're in a beautiful, serene, gated estate. And what you're seeing here is a masterpiece. This is a 4-bedroom plus DSQ that is in the market for just 24.5 million Kenya shillings. And it comes with all bedrooms en suite with a DSQ at the back. What you're seeing here is a greenery area with already trees that are coming up very well. The grass is already up and well manicured. I love the way the trees are coming up. You're going to truly love this place. As you can see, the facade of the house is equally beautiful and it is matching very well with the perimeter wall that comes with its own beautiful electric fence. And on this side, you have a parking where you can do up to 3 cars comfortably. I love the fact that the flowers have come up very well as well. So this is a proper planning. I feel like this compound was properly planned and well executed. Look at all the space that you have at your front yard. You have a lot of space. You can do a gazebo over there. Truly stunning space. So what you're going to do is, without wasting any more time, let's first of all take a route all around the house. You're going to love the wall master, the outside finishes. Look at this house. Truly stunning. This way leads you to your DSQ. And right over here you have a laundry section. You can decide to do your hanging lines over here. You can do your washing machine. You can do your washing machine on this side. And this becomes your private DSQ on this side. We're not going to check it out because some people are using it. We're just going to give them that privacy. So let's go back to the front yard and have a comprehensive tour of the house. Utarudi huko? So we're now going inside the house, and from your entry porch, you can see that it is well raised. Love the leveling. It's raised from the compound, and this becomes a living area. You will appreciate the quality of finishes in this house, the lighting features, the choice of color, and the choice of lighting. I love the windows. They are tinted, and they bring in a lot of natural lighting, as you can see. On this side, you're going to have a very nice place where you can display your trophies, your art pieces, your souvenirs over here. And this TV area is done so well, it can fit the biggest TV you will ever find. And right here you have a fireplace. That is how it looks like. Very beautiful, stunning space. Also, show them the gypsum and the chandelier. It looks so stunning. This is beautiful. This is value for your money. So I'm assuming here you'll be hosting a big family. And as we take the tour of the whole house, you'll come to see how the developer made that consideration. We're going to start here from the dining area. This is your dining space. And as you can see, the dining space has been done in such a way that it can fit a 10-seater dining set or less. Could be an 8-seater, however you want. And a very nice hand wash sink has been placed over here. And you have places where you can, place your supplies, your towels over here. These are beautifully done hand wash sink and mirror. You have your soap dispenser over here. And I love the way they did install this glass work. It makes the room feel a bit bigger. It adds a lot of reflection of the light. You can also see the entire room. I love it. Now, this is your bar area. You can serve your breakfast over here from your open kitchen. And I love this beautiful downlighter. It is a very beautiful piece, okay? So the kitchen is the heart of every home. This is where the meals are made. This is where memories are made, okay? So, and you're having a very spacious kitchen, very big kitchen with these hydraulic, cabinets. And this is a 5-burner, a very nice hob. You're having a very good hood extractor. Of course, being an open kitchen, you really need this. You don't want the whole house smelling the aroma of whatever you're cooking. And again, you have this nice rack where you can do your towels. So you have enough workspace. You can prepare your chapatis if you bake, whatever you are doing. This kitchen is very functional. On this side, you have your double sink, very well done. and it is working so well. Okay, I really love it. It is very, very beautiful. Now, on this side, you're also getting a very nice, microwave and your oven. So this kitchen comes fully fitted, fully functional. The only thing that you will need is your side-by-side door fridge, and the developer made a provision for it over here. That's where you have your socket. And this pantry is so big. Even if you have your fridge and your freezer, they will fit comfortably. You have ample storage for your, for your dry food over here. So perfect, 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 perfect. I love the layout of this kitchen, the layout of this house, all the way from the living area to the dining area. You realize that the kitchen is not that visible from the living area. I love that concept. Now, this is where we saw the laundry area and the DSQ. Now, we'll go to check out the other parts of this beautiful home. Now, this is your beautiful hallway. I really love this hallway because it is so well done, white in color. I love the gypsum, the lighting, chandeliers, the wall panels, and the mirror over here. You're going to make a lot of memories over here. Your kids can make videos over here. You can do your TikToks over here if you love it. It's a very nice place. And on your hallway along you have the common cloakroom. This is the guest washroom, and this one is being accessed by anyone who is visiting. So all the other bedrooms that we are going to check out are coming in suits. Now we are going to check out the first bedroom, which is often used as the guest bedroom. This is your guest bedroom, and it's amazing. All the bedrooms are coming with a similar concept. You have sliding wardrobes. That comes with this beautiful dressing mirror. So you're really going to have an easy time getting ready in the morning. You're getting quality finishes, well partitioned drawers. You have this area where you can display your handbags, your shoes, your beautiful sneakers, and I love the bed space with the gypsum. Show them the gypsum. The gypsum is equally beautiful, and I love these lighting features. They make the bedroom look so good. Something else you'll notice is on the bedrooms, the developer decided to go to with ceiling to floor windows. They're letting in a lot of natural lighting, and they are tinted, so you get your privacy even if you open your slides. Now come with me to see the washrooms. The doors in this house are purely white. I love this. These are wooden doors with quality locks, and you're getting very quality fixtures in the washroom. I love the tile work, the finishes, and I love the quality of the shower head. As you can see, the shower fixtures is well done. You have a very functional shower setup, and every bathroom is also coming with a towel rack and a hand wash sink and mirror. Now that's bedroom one, which is the guest bedroom. Now we will proceed to check out the other parts of this house. Wow, this space that is under your stairway is being utilized as a shoe rack area, or you can store whatever. Your kids can place their toys over here. It's a beautiful space, and now you're also getting to enjoy this quality wooden stairway. So as you can see, the quality of the wood is perfect, as you can see, and I love the grilling. It is very beautiful. It is breaking the monotony of the metallic lighting, as you can see, so that you can easily, see your steps as you're walking upstairs. I love the wooden finishes. As you know, wood is good for insulation, so your feet don't feel cold. Eh? So yeah, it's an amazing concept. So we are now heading to our family room. This is your family place. This is where you can do your 3, 4, 5-seater. You can have your TV over here, your PlayStation where you can play with your children. And if you do tough grass, on this side, it can be an extension. Yeah? And then you do some seats over here with a coffee table where you can enjoy reading a book or just relaxing. And as you can see, the view of the neighborhood is amazing. Your neighbors have mansionette. These are controlled development area, so you don't expect invasion of privacy by construction of apartments. So this place is purely residential. I also love the gypsum in the entire house and the quality of the lighting features. They're very beautiful and stunning to look at. Now on this side we are getting our bedroom number one. Bedroom number one, no, this is bedroom number two, sorry. Bedroom number two comes very spacious, and space is what you're going to really appreciate in this house. The space has been done so generously. The similar concept as we saw in the previous bedroom, sliding door wardrobes with a very nice dressing mirror. You see, very nice quality work. Again, white doors, beautiful gypsum. But this one comes with a shower cubicle. That's something unique about this bathroom. So the toilet seat is on this side. The tiles have been done to perfection. This is your hand wash sink and mirror. On this side, you have a shower cubicle with a similar quality shower appliances. You know, a towel rack. This makes the bedroom, washroom very functional. Now, we're going to the extreme end to see the third bedroom. This is where you have your consumer access, where you can, control your power, you can switch it off. Now, this other bedroom is a bit unique because the window runs from up here all the way down, okay? That is part of what is making the facade look so good. Similar concept in the wardrobe, nothing different from what we have been seeing. Again, a white door, again, a similar bathroom as we have been seeing before. So now we are going to check the primary bedroom, which comes very spacious and very, very uniquely designed. Now, this is the best part of this whole unit. The fact that the developer decided to give you a very big private bedroom, very spacious. You're going to fit your king size bed over here. These are the side lamps, of course. And this space is very, very well done. On this side, you're going to enjoy a sun deck that gives you a very good view. On this side, you can see that dam over there. And this place is so serene. You're surrounded by neighbors over here. And the Kamakis is just over the other side. So you can easily access all social amenities, all shopping malls, KFC, Galitos, everything, name it, it is in Kamakis. You can easily access the Eastern Bypass. Right here, we are getting your dressing mirror. You're getting your dressing mirror, your dresser that is very, very well done. This is a place where your lady will be displaying, the handbags, the beautiful heels. Over here, you have the very big walk-in closet, and you have this window that brings in a lot of natural light, and it is tinted so no one can see you from outside. So this is your private washroom, and I love that it is enclosed like that. Okay, so inside you have a very nice vanity setup. You have a very nice toilet seat over there, and you also have a very nice shower cubicle. So that is what you will find here. So we are going to see the upstairs, which is the rooftop terrace, as I tell you more about Kamakis. Kamakis is a very prime location with a very high demand. So if you buy this unit and you even travel abroad, you can easily make rental income of about 150,000 shillings from a similar unit like this one. You can easily access JKIA, the Thika Super Highway, Kiambu Road from this amazing point. Now, this is your rooftop. Having a drink or even doing your barbecue over here, you're going to have an amazing time. You can play with your kids right here. If you don't want to play with them down, aluminum work over here. If you place some plants here, they will enhance the facade of your house from the entrance. So just bring the big flower pots over here, 2 or 3 of them, let them grow. They will look amazing. On this side, you have an outside washroom. I love the terrazzo, very well finished. And I'm sure you're not going to have any issues with leakages, this being a flat roof house. Now, on this side, this is the best part of this house. Yeah, my cameraman, show them. This is what you're going to get. A lake view. This is a dam over here, and it is very big. You're getting a lot of serenity. You're getting a lot of serenity in this place. You can show them the neighbors. All the neighbors here are having beautiful houses to look at. This is a very beautiful gated community, and it's just a few meters from the Eastern Bypass. Now, if you want to make this your next home, our number is on the screen. You can easily reach to us, and we can show you how you're going to access this property and many other properties. Mortgage is accepted. We also do cash, mortgage, bank financing, whatever you want to call it. You can be able to make this your dream home. So if it is your desire to call this home, call the number on the screen and we'll be able to assist you. Guys, this is the end of the video. If you have enjoyed watching this tour, kindly make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and wait for our next video. Thank you and bye bye.